Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 10 fabulous foundation hacks that everybody needs. So if you're ready, let's get started. Hack number 1. Choose the right shade. There's a couple ways to do it. One, if a store offers testers, test it. You should never use a tester directly on your skin. You never know who's used it and touched it, so you don't want that anywhere on your skin. I like to squeeze out a tad bit of the foundation on a piece of paper, hold it close to my neck, and see if there's a shade match. Another way to do it is if you know your shade in a particular foundation, you can get on findation.com to find your shade in another foundation. Hack number 2. Does your face feel like a bumpy road? You always have to prep your face, and remember WMP. Wash, moisturize, and prime. Even before you apply the foundation, this first hack will make sure your face is smooth and the foundation will glide on smoothly without giving you a cakey face. I like to use my Foreo cleansing brush for that deep cleansing. You can use any brush that you have, or you can also wash with your hand. Moisturizer that I use every day is Aveeno. It's a drugstore moisturizer and gives me that really smooth skin. And for primer, I like to use a silicone-based primer that'll fill my pores and lines before I apply the foundation. Hack number 3. Application. Always apply the foundation from the center of your face, blending it outwards, because you don't want too much foundation to be settled around the circumference of your face and in your hairline. Hack number 4. Coverage. If your foundation is too thick and you want to thin it down to make your skin look more like skin, then you just have to add a little bit of moisturizer to thin it down. And that, in fact, becomes a tinted moisturizer. And if your foundation is too thin and you want more coverage, all you have to do is add a little bit of concealer. Hack number 5. Sponge or brush. When you apply a foundation with a sponge, it tends to absorb some of the product. Although it gives you a flawless coverage, the coverage is thinner. So if you want more coverage, you can apply with a brush, or even better, with your fingers. Hack number 6. Shade mixer. No matter how much we shade match, sometimes a foundation can be lighter or deeper than our skin tone. For hack number 6, I always recommend having a foundation that's at least 2 shades lighter than your skin tone and 2 shades deeper than your skin tone. So if you have a foundation that's deeper than your skin tone and you want to make it lighter, all you have to do is mix a couple drops of the lighter foundation. And if you have a foundation that's lighter than your skin tone, all you have to do is mix a couple drops of the deeper shade of foundation. Hack number 7. This is how you make your foundation long-lasting and sweat-proof. After you've applied your foundation, you have to blot your face using a tissue. Now, just set your face with some loose powder that not just makes your face sweat-proof, it also makes it transfer-proof. Hack number 8. Dewy versus matte. Does your face feel dry and you want to go for that dewy look? All you have to do is add a couple drops of face oil with your foundation. On the other hand, does your face feel extra oily and you want a matte foundation? All you have to do is mix a tad bit of a matte primer with your foundation. Hack number 9. If your foundation or concealer still crease after applying a primer, try using an eyeshadow primer in areas where they crease. I usually warm it in the back of my hand before I apply it under my eyes, around my nose and mouth, and then apply the foundation. And that works like magic. Hack number 10. Make your foundation last. And how do you do that? By setting and sealing your face using a setting spray. Just like you use a spray on your hair to hold it in place, you use a setting spray on your face to melt all the powders and make it look skin-like and to make it last. I hope these hacks were useful. Let me know if you want more foundation hacks in the comment section below. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.